So my Ray-Ban case has been flashing orange despite any charger I use with it. Now it is just about completely dead, and so it's not even flashing at all. So what Ray-Ban recommends is you take the glasses out. In this case, I have the glasses on. So now I am going to press and hold the button on the back for about 15 seconds. 1, 2, 14, 15. Now I'll release the button, and that turns white. Once it disappears, now I will put the glasses back in the case and I'll charge it for an hour. And the case is now charging normal. Here is the case after a few minutes, and you can see the charge light. There is no orange light flashing while it's charging, and after a few more minutes you can see it's up to 15%, so everything's working great. Hope this is helpful.
Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.